Hi guys, I just wanted to share with you what it looks like inside a foam versus hybrid mattress. I managed to get 4 different samples. I was allowed to, so no harm or damage was done because those were mattresses I was about to recycle. I was not able to keep. But let me show you here. This is what we call the pillow top. See, the cover is quilted and it's stitched in. And then this is very interesting. I love this layer. This is cooling gel layer. Look how soft and how it reacts to keep you comfortable. Right here, when I talk in my videos about individually wrapped coils, that's exactly what I mean. That's why I'm excited to share this with you. See the different sizes? Now this one is a foam mattress. It's taken out of a foam mattress. The layers are glued together. So we got 3 layers, and this is obviously the base or foundation. And look at how important the top layer is. It's super soft. They're always soft. So this is the edge of inside a mattress. This is a hybrid mattress, but look how the coils, again individually wrapped, but they made the edge so thick so that when you feel the edge of a mattress, you cannot feel the coils, which is really, really good. You do not want to be disturbed by the coils. A lot of mattresses don't have a thick layer. So when you run your hands on the edge of the mattress, you can feel them. But not with this one. This is pretty cool. Take you inside some of the mattress samples I was able to get. Thank you for watching.